Sarah here, reporting on Advantage Moving and Storage, a Diamond-certified moving company serving residential and commercial clients throughout the Bay Area. Our Diamond-certified research shows that President Brian Kavanaugh and Vice President Chitra Bheeman lead a team that's known for its professional service and attention to detail. Every mover is a full-time employee of the company, which means customers can count on consistent quality and accountability throughout the moving process. Founded in 2002, Advantage Moving and Storage is qualified to handle both local and long-distance moves, and short-term and long-term storage is also available at its Milpitas facility. Ms. Bheeman says the company is committed to making the moving experience as smooth as possible, which it accomplishes by using protective packing methods, providing clear pricing with no hidden fees, and delivering responsive support before, during, and after the move. That's our report on Advantage Moving and Storage, where, as Ms. Bheeman says, they combine quality service with a personal touch to earn the trust of their customers one move at a time. I'm Sarah Withers, reporting for Diamond Certified Resource.